basketball games is a crucial task in organizing basketball tournaments, leagues, or even regular season matches. It involves strategically assigning game dates, times, and opponent matchups to ensure fairness, balance, and efficiency in the competition. Efficient scheduling not only maximizes the excitement and engagement of the players and fans, but also minimizes logistical challenges for teams, venues, and event organizers.
To tackle the complex task of scheduling basketball games, Graph Theory provides a powerful framework. By representing teams as nodes and their matchups as edges, a graph can be constructed to capture the relationships and constraints between teams. Leveraging graph theory algorithms such as maximum weight matching or graph coloring, the scheduling process can be optimized to meet various objectives such as minimizing conflicts, maintaining balance, and maximizing overall competitiveness.
By automating the scheduling process with graph theory, we can streamline the tasks, eliminate biases, and produce fair and efficient schedules. Whether you are organizing a local basketball league or a high-profile tournament, this script can serve as a foundation for creating customized schedules that meet your specific requirements and preference.
Graph coloring. This algorithm is useful when there are constraints on scheduling conflicts, such as avoiding teams playing back-to-back games or ensuring fair distribution of game dates and times. In this approach, the teams are represented as nodes in the graph and edges are added between nodes that have scheduling conflicts. The objective is to assign colors in such a way that no two adjacent teams share the same color, satisfying the scheduling constraints.
The scheduling of NBA or National Basketball Association games is a complex task that involves numerous considerations and constraints. The NBA employs a sophisticated scheduling process that aims to ensure fairness, competitiveness, and logistical efficiency. While the specific details of the NBA scheduling algorithm are proprietary, here are some key factors and considerations involved in the NBA scheduling process.
The NBA aims to distribute games evenly across teams and venues. Each team typically plays 82 regular season games, with roughly half of the games played at home and the other half on the road. The scheduling algorithm ensures that teams have a balanced number of home and away games. NBA players require adequate rest for performance and recovery. The scheduling algorithm strives to provide teams with sufficient rest between games, minimizing instances of back-to-back games or demanding travel schedules. Additionally, there are schedules break during the season, such as All-Star break, to give players and teams extended rest periods. The NBA has various constraints and guidelines to consider, such as avoiding excessive home or road stretches for teams, minimizing instances where teams play more games than their opponents in a given period, and complying with collective bargaining agreements and league policies. The NBA is divided into two conferences, the Eastern Conference and the Western Conference. Each conference is further divided into three divisions. The divisional structure helps to create a regional rivalries and allows teams to compete more frequently against opponents in their own division. For the division games, we will now be using graph theory with the use of edge coloring algorithms to schedule each game of the teams. In the division games, each team needs to play the other 4 teams in its division 4 times each. They need to play 2 home games and 2 away games, with a total of 16 division games for each team. For the Atlantic Division, we will represent Boston Celtics as number 1, New Jersey Nets as number 2, New York Knicks as number 3, Philadelphia 76ers as number 4, and Toronto Raptors as number 5. Since there are 5 teams in each division, then there will be 1 team that will rest each day. We create a balanced schedule that ensures teams within the same division play an equal number of home and away games against each other. This ensures fairness in terms of home court advantage. Note that each color of edges represents different days of matches. For the Atlantic Division, this will be the overall graph that will represent the schedule of the division games. And we will just repeat the process for the rest of the divisions.
To develop the NBA schedule, a combination of algorithmic techniques, optimization methods, and manual adjustments is employed. The league works closely with scheduling experts, data analysts, and team representatives to create a comprehensive and balanced schedule that meets the objectives and constraints outlined above. While the specific details of the NBA scheduling algorithm are not publicly available, the league continuously reviews and refines its scheduling process to ensure fairness, competitive balance, and an engaging experience for players and fans alike.